Hello friends, in this video we learn how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. Let's say we have a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we'll split the middle term bx into b1x and b2x in such a way that the product of b1x and b2x equal to the product of first term and last term, and the sum or difference is equal to bx. So we'll write b1x multiplied by b2x equal to ax square multiplied by c, and b1x plus minus b2x is equal to bx. Now we'll see how this factorization or splitting middle term method can be used to solve a quadratic equation. Let's take an example. So example number 1, we have equation 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. Here we can see that the product of first and last term is 100x square multiplied by 1, that is 100x square. Now we need to split the middle term minus 20x. So we can split the middle term minus 20x into minus 10x and minus 10x. We know that when we'll add minus 10x with 10x, we'll get minus 20x, and the product of minus 10x and minus 10x will be equal to plus 100x square. Now we can write our given equation as 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we need to take something common from the first two terms. We'll take 10x as common. So we can see to get the first term we need to multiply 10x with 10x, and to get the second term we'll multiply 10x with minus 1. We copy 10x minus 1 again, and we know to get third and fourth term we need to multiply 10x minus 1 with minus 1, and we'll equate this with 0. So now out of these two terms we'll take 10x minus 1 common. So we see to get first and second term we'll multiply it with 10x minus 1 again. Now we'll equate both the factors with 0. So we have 10x minus 1 equal to 0. We'll take minus 1 on the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So we have 10x equal to 1. And also we can see 10 is in multiplication with the x. So when we'll take x on the right hand side, we get x is equal to 1 by 10. Similarly, again we have 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 1 by 10. Now we can see that there are two roots of our given quadratic equation, that are x is equal to 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. So we have real and equal roots for our quadratic equation. So let's practice one more example to get factorization method thoroughly. So we have quadratic equation root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Here we see that the product of first and last term, that is root 2x square multiplied by 5 root 2 is equal to 10x square. For the record, product of root 2 and root 2 is equal to 2. So we have 5 into 2, 10, hence 10x square. Now we can split the middle term 7x into 5x and 2x. Product of 5x and 2x will be 10x square, and sum of 5x and 2x is 7x. We will write our equation as root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Out of first two terms, we'll take root 2x common. So we'll have root 2x multiplied by x plus root 2 so as to get our first and second terms. We'll copy x plus root 2 again, and we know to get third and fourth term we need to multiply this with 5, and we'll equate this with 0. Now out of these two terms we take x plus root 2 common. So we have root 2x plus 5 as second factor, and we equate it to 0 as well. Now we'll equate these linear factors to 0. So we have x plus root 2 equal to 0. When we'll take root 2 on the RHS, it will become x is equal to minus root 2, and we have root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So we'll take plus 5 on the RHS, so we'll have root 2x equal to minus 5. Now we need to take the root 2 on the right hand side. Root 2 is in multiplication with x, so when we'll take it to right hand side, it will become x is equal to minus 5 divided by under root 2. Therefore, the roots of our quadratic equation are x is equal to minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. So friends, that's how we use factorization method to solve a quadratic equation. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe Happy Learning for more videos. Write down your suggestions and queries in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!